Alright, today we're gonna make a lava lamp. You're gonna need some Alka-Seltzer, some food coloring, empty cup, vegetable oil, water,
and kiddos.
and some lights. Alright, you guys want to throw your safety goggles on?
Oh, safety goggles on. Safety goggles on.
Okay, so first, Colton, why don't you go ahead, very slowly pour that oil on the... Boy, this is a mistake. Very slowly. Yeah, there you go. Yep, keep going. You're good. Ooh, that's good. All right. Now, pour the water in.
Me?
Yep.
Okay. Try the water of it.
Keep going. All right, let's let that settle for a little bit. So now we gotta let that settle for the next 5 or 10 minutes. Did you taste the oil?
No, this smells bad on my fingers.
All right, now the oil and water has settled quite a bit. So Charlotte, go ahead and put some food coloring in. That's good. Look at it drop. It's like it's raining.
Yeah. See, Dad. That was just like raining.
You guys see what the food coloring is doing on the bottom there?
The food colorings.
All right,
Okay,
Colton.
now I'll do that.
Step it up a notch here.
We can eat it.
Here, Charlotte.
That we can.
No, don't eat that.
Why?
Because that's Alka-Seltzer. Yep, you guys each drop one in and let's check out the reaction, see what happens.
Making bubbles. Why is making bubbles? And what am I gonna do next?
Do you see how the
Let's get the lemon.
bubbles are going up?
Let's get the lemon.
The ink from the food coloring is connecting onto the
Can
carbon dioxide
Dad,
bubbles. Not
we
yet,
do more?
not yet, you guys. You just gotta watch this.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Do you see how it's riding up and then the ink is falling back down from the food coloring?
No, some make it daying up. Some make it daying up, Dad. Dad, can we put more of those? Okay. Can we put the lemon juice? Okay. That never stops bubbling. That never stops. I'm hungry for cheese. Okay. Somebody was staying up here, Charlotte. Some food coloring. Can we eat food coloring, Dad?
Oh, we eat food coloring in lots of things. All
Well,
like the
lemon.
colored frostings, all that stuff has food coloring in it. Oh, not
And
all of it, but a
lemons.
good chunk of it.
And lemons. Need lemons. Look it.
Should we put another tablet in?
Mm.
That first one's still going. Here. Put that in there, Charlotte. Yep. Put that in there. Let's see what happens with 2 of them in there. Drop it. There you go.
Sounds like so good. Usually,
Pretty cool for a little homemade lava lamp, huh?
yeah. This is not the two waffle lamp. No. It's like water and cereal and food coming. We need to put a cover over it. If it's gonna blow, we need to put a balloon over it. Nothing I
So we switched lights here to see if we can get a little bit of a different reaction.
Yeah.
Oh, here, buddy, let me see that. So watch. I'll show you on that side in a second, buddy. Yeah, come stand behind me.
Thank you.
All right. Should we say goodbye?
Bye. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.